don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We can 106.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Jaleisha B, and today I'm here to show y'all how I clip my ends at home. Y'all, the last time I did this, I did record it, so I'll link it above. And I swear it's worse this time than it was the last time. Like, I just really don't get how my ends get so trash so freaking fast. I just don't understand. But the first thing I'm gonna do is pull all my hair forward. Now, watching this back, I should have put a rubber band on it and cut it, but I just did it with my fingers. I feel like I could have got a more precise cut if I had used a rubber band and tied it together and cut it, but I just used my fingers, which it really did take off a lot of the chunk of dead ends that I had on the ends. And I'm gonna turn around so you can see how it looks so much better already. Like, just chunking off that 1 or 2 inches that I took off right then all at one time really did make a big difference. I could have stopped there. I really need to go to a professional, y'all. I ain't saying don't try to do this at home, but it's harder than it looks. And even now, after I did, I know I cut off about 3 inches of hair and I still have split ends. I really don't get it. But I'm not even gonna ramble through this whole thing. I'm just gonna let you watch me do it. If you see, as you'll see, I'm gonna like pull out sections of hair. I'm gonna split it down 2 sides and pull out sections of hair and just clip it like that. It's easier to watch it. It's hard to explain like through words, but you can see what I'm doing. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, girl, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you at the end of the video.
Jump out of a window if you call. I jump out of a window. You call me. Touch your name on my neck, I promise. Girl, I swear I'm obsessed. Whatever you want, girl, it's no problem. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. I can't give you the world. I can't give you the world. You wanna be somebody, want us to believe that you somebody to see, searching for a feeling, and you would give up anything just to show us you had it. All she wanna do is talk fashion, make a couple mil off passion. House on a hill, live lavish, lavish. Rolling with my hitters on the west side. Only got $1 in the drink. Pull up with your shawties, want the spotlight. Lights, camera, action, make a sing. Don't hit me crying from your bedside, cause you in love with the finer things. Don't hit me crying from your bedside, please. I can't give you the world, but I can't give you my heart. I can't give you the world, but I hope this is a start. You mean the world to me. You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We can 106 and Park. You be my rock, I be your big tigger. I'm tryna show you off. I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with ya, baby, I want you. Let them watch ya, tell them they can tune in. Show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard, so you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops. I got it. Jump out of a window if you call me. Touch your name on my neck, I promise. Girl, I swear I'm obsessed. Whatever you want, girl, it's no problem. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. You got a hold on me, where you controlling me. Think I might overdose, so hypnotic. Where you got my heart trap. Take my wallet, fly you all across the map. Oh yeah. Rock solid, yeah, you know I'm gon' support ya. Anything you want, girl, I'ma spoil ya. Let them watch ya, tell them they can tune in. We'll show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard, so you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops. I got it. Jump out of a window if you call me. Jump out of a window. Touch your name on my neck, I promise. Girl, I swear I'm obsessed. Whatever you want, girl, it's no problem. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Obsessed with you, I can't give you the world. I can't give you the world. You wanna be somebody, want us to believe that you somebody to see, searching for a feeling, and you would give up anything just to show us you had it. All she wanna do is talk fashion, make a couple mil off passion. House on a hill, live lavish. Rolling with my hitters on the west side. Only got $1 in the drink. Pull up with your shawties, want the spotlight. Lights, camera, action, make a sing. Don't hear me crying from your bedside, cause you in love with the finer things. Don't hear me crying from your bedside, please. I can't give you the world, but I can't give you my heart. I can't give you the world, but I hope this is a start. You mean the world to me.
this is the end result of my ends being clipped. I did go back in a little bit and like chop it a little bit more, but from before, I think that it's a drastic change, and it is a lot shorter than it was, but I think it just looks a lot better. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, make sure you click the like button and the subscribe button. I said the like button and subscribe button. The like button and the subscribe button below, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
106 in Park, you be my rock, I be your big ticket. I'm tryna show you off, I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with you, baby, I want you. Let them watch you, tell them they can tune in, show you how we do this. I put all love on the beat.